The Hatsuyuki 500E is the workhorse of the Hatsuyuki line of commercial ice shaving machines. It produces a great, fluffy product that enhances any shave ice. The Hatsuyuki 500E has adjustable settings to provide different textures of shave ice, simple controls for easy operation, automatic shutoff features to prevent accidents, and can shave 4 to 6 pounds of shave ice per minute. That's enough for 600 to 700 servings per hour. The machine weighs 67 pounds, is 26 inches high, 13 inches wide, and sits 18 inches deep. The machine requires a regular 120 volt 3-prong outlet. It runs on 4 amps, 220 watts, and is NSF certified. To unbox the machine, you remove the straps and slide off the outer box. The machine is ready to be plugged in. The machine includes a drip tray, extra blade, drain tube, and gear oil. Now let's walk through the machine. Plug the machine into a dedicated 120 volt 3-prong outlet. We have another video on power needs of the machine that's important to watch to make sure that the machine is getting enough power and to avoid problems with your motor and issues that would void the warranty. This is the on-off switch. Adjust the crankshaft to insert your ice. You can adjust the drive tension, which gives you more or less downward pressure on your block of ice. This knob is used to adjust the blade. We have a separate video that shows how to replace the blade for this machine. The shaver has a plastic shield that must be closed for the machine to work. When open, the shaver automatically shuts off to protect you and your staff. We recommend you dry the machine daily to keep it in good working condition. The Hatsuyuki 500E is a great user-friendly machine that is durable, consistent, and a great addition to your shave ice business. For more information to help you select the best shaver for your needs, watch more videos on iceshavers.com or on our iceshavers.com YouTube channel.